JRA was brought in to do a study of the Louisville Water Company's Crescent Hill treatment facility. They're asking us to really go in and modernize the campus that was started back in the late 1800s. So we got in touch with Ayoroa Simmons, who's a laser scanning firm that we've worked with, and we walked them through the building, give them an understanding of what we're dealing with and what the information that we needed.
One of the challenges for anybody in architecture, engineering, or construction is gaining a thorough understanding of the geometry of an existing building.
There's a massive amount of floor areas, piping, chemical silos, and to be able to document what we're dealing with is very critical to how we're going to proceed with a lot of the renovations and modernization that we're going to be doing to this plant.
When we started 3D scanning, we met with a lot of equipment vendors out there and realized that FARO had a lot to offer.
The use of the FARO equipment is very simple. It's very user-friendly. We can go through the different menus on there and set up the parameters that we need to do to set up the correct shots.
If we were to go out and field measure using traditional methods, it would take us several months to be able to get fairly accurate information using those methods. By using the laser scanning, point cloud scanning, it's within days.
For us, the FARO scanner has been a great piece of equipment. A lot of our projects involve numerous setups. It's lightweight. We're able to move around with it very quickly. We have 2 units now, and we can document a lot of square footage very quickly in a day.
It was so successful because we literally found out by the means of the scanning that the chemical building was literally rotated in comparison to the other buildings around us, which has actually a pretty big effect on how we're moving forward with the project.
What you have is a very rich contextual data set that leaves very little to the imagination and really leaves very little for interpretation. So you're no longer relying on field notes and references to things that you may not be able to see directly.
What we were able to do is get a much clearer picture of what we're dealing with, how we can address multiple problems.
With the FARO instrument and the FARO technology, what we see and what has helped us is the support that we've had through the team. The FARO guys coming out, helping us get set up, helping us understand our instrument setups, our target placements.
They've done a lot to help us with selecting the right scanning equipment, providing the support after the fact, and so far we've had a great experience using FARO. It's fast, it's accurate, and it's comprehensive. And to have those 3 things working in concert for you on any project is a major accomplishment.